Hi, it's Cassie from Old Mill Quilting. I just wanted to quickly tell you about rag quilts. Easy to make and very fast to put together. Rag quilts make the perfect gift. They're great for baby showers, cot quilts, play mats, rugs to take on a picnic. There's so many uses you can have for these quilts. They're very durable. Just chuck them in the washing machine, chuck them in the dryer, and they come out all cozy and fluffy. Have you ever considered making a rag quilt using a layer cake? Layer cakes consist of 42 pieces. So that means you can get 20 squares from your layer cake. If you put them all together, this is the size quilt that you can come up with. It's perfect as a lap quilt or even as a cot quilt. If you wanted to make it bigger, simply use 2 layer cakes. The main characteristic of a rag quilt is the fluffy seams that you snip at the end. This can be easily achieved using a pair of these birch rag quilt snips. They're specially designed specifically for this purpose. They have a spring-loaded handle, which means your hands don't get tired after snipping the entire quilt. They also consist of a rounded tip on the blade of the scissors. This helps to make sure that as you're cutting, you don't go through the seams. Rag quilts are great for beginners. They're really quick and easy to make. You can have the entire quilt made up in one day. We also have a free downloadable pattern to make this quilt on our website. If you have any questions or would like any more information, please feel free to contact us. Our website is oldmillquilting.com.au. Thanks for watching.